Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and business tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to find your pay stub in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Whether you're an employee checking your earnings or a business owner helping your team, this quick tutorial will get you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already, go to the QuickBooks website, enter your credentials, and land on your dashboard. It's the central hub for all your financial activities. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Payroll. This is where all the magic happens for employee payments. If you don't see the Payroll tab, double-check your account settings or subscription level, as it might require an upgrade for full access. Next, under the Payroll section, select Employees. This will pull up a list of all associated employees. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific person whose pay stub you need. Could be you or a team member. Now, click on the employee's name to open their details. Look for the Payroll History or Paychecks option, usually right there on the page. This will show a timeline of past pay periods. Select the one you're interested in, and you'll see an option to view or download the pay stub as a PDF. If you're having trouble, a quick tip: ensure your payroll data is up to date. Sometimes, recent updates in QuickBooks Online for 2025 might require you to refresh the page or check for any pending transactions. It's that simple. There you have it. Finding your pay stub is now a breeze. This feature helps you stay organized and verify your income effortlessly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.